Hello guys, this is Crimson Fireball, and this is the first time I've made a video in a while, in about 2 years. Just got done uploading 3 or 4 shorts it was, and hope you guys like those ones. I'm a goofy guy. Anyways, today I'm going to show you guys a legit way to make eggs without breaking the yolk and making them kind of like medium to sunny side up, and show you some tricks to doing eggs. So first I'm going to start off with, for eggs I usually like using 5, and for my greaser to grease the pan up with, I use butter because I believe it makes the best tasting eggs. So how much butter do I use? This is actually a trick that took me the longest time. I always used to not use enough butter or oil. So what I learned is you use about, if you see this thing, about 1 tablespoon is perfect. It may seem a little heavy, but you'll see it's so the eggs don't, break as easily. And with that amount of butter, it's just perfect enough. They'll slip underneath your spatula that I'm using, and it won't break the yolk. That's what I'm trying to show you guys to do, because I like my yolk intact, and I don't think I'm the only one in this world that likes it that way too. So this video's out for you guys. So just got to give it time to, spread the butter around, of course. You know what I'm saying. Get it all greased up. And these don't have to be melting all the way. It'll melt as we cook in the eggs. Just a little bit longer. Go ahead and skip to the part where you guys want to, where I show you how to do the eggs. You can skip after this. So get my eggs, and I'm gonna put the phone down. Alright. For eggs I use extra large to large, but I actually like the mediums. Those are my favorite, but this don't matter what type of eggs you use. This is just some cheap brand that we got at the store. So I'm going to show you so for this one I'm going to go do a medium one. This is what I like every morning. So yeah, just thought of something. I'm just cracking the yolk. I can't do it with one hand. Okay, so this one will be the medium one right here. And the main issue I see a lot of people have problems with is cracking the egg, which that's the easiest way to break the yolk at first anyways, of course. But I'll show you what. So with this one being medium, you'll know when to go underneath it. That's another point is, if you what's it called, stick the spatula underneath it, like right now, of course it's going to break, you can tell. So a big deciding factor to know when to all white part to be completely white. You don't want any clear spots showing the pan, and it's not quite there yet. Okay. And see that you can do it to test it out before sliding all the way underneath the egg. You can tell it's not done enough because it'll be a little extra slippier than when it should be flipped. No. Oh, right there. See what I mean? Now you gotta be careful. Ooh. Okay. One second, I gotta use my other hand. Well, I screwed it up, but anyways, I broke part of the yolk, but it's not mostly intact. But you see what I mean? At that point, then you can flip it. Since this is going to be a medium, I'm going to shut off the heat for this one. And I'll do another video doing sunny side up sometime later on. But for now, I'm just showing you medium. So for me, I learned this trick from my family is once you get to the point of the halfway and you flip it, just turn off the heat because there'll be enough heat in the pan to cook the rest of the egg. And since we're doing medium, you want still some of that yolk to be liquidy, of course. And it looks just about right. And at this point, take whatever seasoning like salt, pepper, or what I like to use is Famous Dave's steak and burger seasoning lately. It's pretty good. And then, but yeah, you can use whatever you want to spice up your eggs. And then that is it. So it's pretty much done now. And as you can see, pretty good looking egg. Except it's more over easy this time. So let's just test something real quick, see if it has some liquid in it still. Okay. Oh, no. Well, I guess this over easy. But that's how you do an over easy egg, I guess.